Good morning, friends. This is Suribabu Marisetti, staying in New Nagol, Hyderabad, working as LIC agent for the last 6 years. Today, I would like to tell you about the importance of the life insurance and also the health insurance, which both are very important for all of us. All some has a idea of insurance is a waste, the waste of money. Putting insurance policy is a waste of money. It's not correct. Insurance is the foundation of our financial profile. If you take for example as a pyramid, insurance must be in this profile, otherwise it should be weak, the pyramid should be weak. And I opine that insurance is just like having a belt while we are driving in a car, or having a helmet if you are driving a bike. Just like that, you have to think. Insurance, by taking insurance policy, you have the twin benefits. One is insurance coverage and other one is savings. You do with this policy, you get the twin benefits. Whereas in other financial instruments, just like post office savings, bank savings, other savings, mutual funds and the shares are give only the returns, whereas LIC gives coverage and also as well as the maturity. LIC works under the create and save mode, where other financial instruments work as save and create. Both are similar, it looks, but there are a lot of difference. In LIC, we create the estate first by signing on the proposal. If you want 1 crore policy, we create the estate at the day itself. You are signing on the proposal by completing the formalities. That's why LIC, saving with LIC, taking policy is under the create and save method. First you create the estate and going on savings little bit premiums for a period of time. Whereas in the other instruments like post office, banks, if you want 1 crore fund, the bank, you have to start saving now for 20 years. But what will happen, we don't know. In the case of insurance, you have created already the estate of 1 crore. If anything happens to the person, no worries. In this, there is some tension. Okay? This is the benefit of taking the insurance policy. Thank you. I'll come back to you with more visible content videos in future. Thank you.